Good girl, Lindsay. Keep them trotting. Outside rein. Look where you're going. You're missing this jump, so we'll miss it this time because it's too late. Good. Now go all the way around to the flower, and then remember after the flower that we're going to do the adagio jump. Heels way down. Good. Squeeze. He needs a little more gas. Good. All the way to the end. Look where you're going. Turn for the other jump. Good. Good. Left rein. Very nice, Lindsay. Be sure to keep those feet forward. Come on over the flower jump. Feet forward. Good girl. All the way to the end. Look where you're going to your next jump. Good. Good. To the flowers. Let's push those heels way down. Good. Heels down. That's okay. And all the way around to the adagio jump again. Good. Left rein. Good. Flowers again. We're going to keep our feet pushed forward. Feet forward, feet forward. Good job. Go ahead and let them walk again. That was very nice. Go ahead and wiggle your feet out of the stirrups a little bit. Better.